What's going on, everyone? Jeeper John here. In this video, we're going to do a quick long-term review of the Bedtred floor liners. Stay tuned and let's get to it. Alright guys, so here's the Bedtred floor liners. These things I've probably had for about a year and a half or so. Don't mind the mess, I haven't cleaned it out for a while. These things are amazing. I absolutely love these. The main part that I love about them is that they're removable. So if you want like a bed liner look and you don't want that permanent side effect to it, these are a great option. They look just like it. They're super durable. They have a little bit of cushioning under them, so if you're kneeling in here for whatever reason, it is a lot more comfortable than just the bare metal or even a bed liner. Let's get into the pros and cons. The pros: these things themselves are waterproof. I think they're chemical resistant, fade resistant, all that. So it's super durable. It won't scratch up your existing metal or any of your tools if you have some flying back here. Another pro, just the look of it. I love the look of it. It's just like that bed liner look. However, like I said earlier, it's not permanent. Another pro, these things, if you have stuff back here, it's super grippy, so things won't slide around very easily. So some cons: these things are pretty expensive. The whole set for the front and rear, it's about $400 to $500 depending on where you get them at. And another con, they will let water underneath. I recently had some leaks in my door over there, as well as this tailgate seal here. And I found that I had about a gallon of water just spread out throughout all in here, and I could not see it because it was all hidden under here. So there might be some better ways to waterproof this, maybe putting some seals along the edges. I don't know if JB Weld would help with that or something like that, I'm not sure, but that's just something to consider, especially right in here too. I cut out little things for these hook loops here, just because I use the footman loops, just because I use those to secure things down. Other than that, I mean, one other con, it is kind of hard to clean these out if you don't take them out all the way, which can be a pain in the butt because these things are pretty stiff and they're very hard to get in initially. Since they're so textured and so grippy, it takes quite some time to even get a little bit of dirt out. There's so much surface area, so many nooks and crannies in there. But it is possible. It just takes a little bit longer. And you can pull them out just fine. They're all Velcroed in there. Let's see if I can get it. This tape came undone. That was my own fault. The adhesive. But they're all Velcroed in here, so they're not going to move. Let's take a look at the front here too. It's kind of dirty. Yeah, it fits in super nice, super flush. Again, down here, if you get any leaks, it's going to go right in this groove and right under this. So if you have any rusting issues already, I would probably take care of that before you put these in there, just in case you get any water under them. And then you'll have a lot more issues. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.